We'll guide you through how to add a watermark in CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on CapCut. So for whatever reason you want to go and add in a watermark, it's a great way of showing that you're the original creator of the work. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide and you don't skip anything. To get started, let's go and get into our project. I already have one. If you don't, press new video and start adding in the media. I want to go and add it to this here. If you see the back button in the bottom left, tap it, then press text to go and add it and press add text. Press enter text and you can go and type in what you want it to go and say. Then you can go and press on fonts and choose the font you want to use, and you can then press styles. What I'm going to do here is just go and you can adjust the size, but we can go and pinch on it as well. And what you can also do is lower the opacity to make it more transparent. So tap, hold and drag on that like so. So tap, hold and drag on that like so, and you can adjust it. Go along here and go and add different things. For example, shadow. I actually already have this selected. I chose black. I'll make this more transparent like so. And then we can go and add other things and we'll press the tick. And then what I can do is go and position it where I want it by tapping and holding it in the preview. Tap and hold on it in the timeline just to go and adjust the length and make sure it's the length you want.